Metro Rail Transit Line 7 (MRT-7) is a transformative infrastructure project in the Philippines, designed to address the growing urban transport demands of Metro Manila and its northern provinces, particularly Bulacan. Officially known as MRT-7, this heavy metro rail line aims to provide a modern, efficient, and reliable mass transit option, connecting North Avenue in Quezon City to San Jose del Monte in Bulacan, spanning a total length of approximately 22 kilometers. This ambitious project is not only a response to the chronic traffic congestion along key corridors such as Commonwealth Avenue but also a strategic move to facilitate urban expansion, economic growth, and commuter convenience in rapidly developing areas. The planning and conceptualization of MRT-7 began over a decade ago, reflecting the Philippine government's long-term vision to modernize public transportation in Metro Manila and integrate it with existing transport systems such as MRT-3, LRT-1, and the future MRT-8 lines. By linking North Avenue to San Jose del Monte, MRT-7 is poised to serve thousands of daily commuters, significantly reducing travel times and providing a safe, reliable alternative to road-based travel, which is often hampered by heavy traffic and unpredictable delays. The route alignment of MRT-7 has been carefully designed to maximize accessibility, efficiency, and safety. The line traverses several densely populated urban and suburban areas, including Quezon City, Caloocan, and Bulacan municipalities. Key stations include North Avenue, Quirino Highway, Regalado, Mindanao Avenue, and the terminus at San Jose del Monte. Each station is meticulously planned to provide seamless passenger flow, with modern amenities such as escalators, elevators, ticketing kiosks, and barrier-free access for differently abled commuters. Moreover, the elevated design of MRT-7 ensures minimal disruption to existing road networks while enhancing operational safety and efficiency. The infrastructure includes viaducts, overpasses, and elevated platforms, designed to withstand natural hazards such as typhoons and earthquakes, which are common in the Philippines. Advanced signaling systems, safety protocols, and modern train control technology are integrated throughout the line to ensure smooth, reliable operations. The rolling stock for MRT-7 is another hallmark of modern engineering. The trains are designed as heavy metro units, capable of carrying high passenger volumes while maintaining comfort and safety standards. Each train is equipped with state-of-the-art propulsion systems, energy-efficient motors, and regenerative braking technology to minimize environmental impact. The interiors are spacious, ergonomically designed, and equipped with digital displays, air conditioning, and modern seating arrangements to enhance passenger comfort. Additionally, safety features such as emergency brakes, surveillance cameras, fire detection systems, and automated door controls are incorporated to ensure the highest standards of security and operational safety. By leveraging modern train technology, MRT-7 not only enhances commuter experience but also contributes to sustainable urban transport by reducing carbon emissions and dependence on private vehicles. The construction process of MRT-7 has been a complex, multi-phase endeavor involving local and international engineering expertise. The project is executed with meticulous planning, incorporating advanced construction techniques to minimize disruption to local communities and traffic. Factory assembly of train cars, on-site installation of rails, stations, and signaling systems, and rigorous testing protocols are part of the multi-layered construction approach. During assembly, workers carefully integrate mechanical, electrical, and signaling components, ensuring precision and durability. Each stage, from track laying to station finishing, is closely monitored for quality assurance, safety compliance, and engineering accuracy. The use of modern machinery, cranes, and prefabricated components allows for faster construction while maintaining high standards of safety and precision. Furthermore, collaboration with international contractors has brought cutting-edge metro technologies and best practices to the Philippine rail sector, ensuring that MRT-7 meets global standards in efficiency, safety, and passenger comfort. Beyond its technical features, MRT-7 carries significant economic and social implications. By drastically reducing travel times between Quezon City and Bulacan, the line enables better access to employment, education, and commercial centers, stimulating regional economic development. Businesses along the route benefit from improved logistics and increased foot traffic, while property values near stations are expected to rise, attracting residential and commercial investments. MRT-7 also supports the government's sustainable transport policies by encouraging public transit use over private vehicles, thereby reducing congestion, air pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, the line plays a crucial role in urban planning, connecting residential communities with commercial hubs and integrating seamlessly with future transport corridors to create a holistic, multimodal transit network. The social impact of MRT-7 cannot be overstated. Commuters enjoy a reliable, fast, and safe mode of travel, reducing the daily stress associated with traffic jams and long commutes. By providing equitable access to public transportation, MRT-7 ensures mobility for all sectors of society, including students, professionals, and elderly citizens. Moreover, the project has created thousands of jobs during construction and will continue to generate employment opportunities for operations, maintenance, and station management. Community engagement programs, safety drills, and public awareness campaigns have been implemented to ensure that the benefits of MRT-7 are maximized while minimizing disruptions during construction and operational launch. In addition, MRT-7's design reflects modern aesthetic and functional considerations. Stations feature clean, contemporary architecture with intuitive layouts that prioritize passenger convenience and safety. Elevated platforms, wide corridors, and clear signage ensure smooth passenger flow, while amenities such as retail spaces, seating areas, and information kiosks enhance the commuting experience. The integration of smart technologies, including automated ticketing systems and real-time passenger information, aligns MRT-7 with global best practices in urban rail transit. The use of sustainable materials, energy-efficient lighting, and modern construction techniques further reinforces the line's commitment to environmental stewardship and operational efficiency. Looking toward the future, MRT-7 is expected to be a catalyst for continued urban development and transportation modernization in the Philippines. Once fully operational, it will not only reduce travel times and congestion but also promote economic growth, social mobility, and environmental sustainability. The integration of MRT-7 with other planned and existing metro lines will create a comprehensive urban rail network, enhancing connectivity and accessibility across Metro Manila and its neighboring provinces. By leveraging modern engineering, smart technologies, and sustainable practices, MRT-7 sets a benchmark for future mass transit projects in the country. In conclusion, Metro Rail Transit Line 7 MRT-7 is more than just a rail line. It is a transformative infrastructure initiative that embodies modern engineering, urban planning, and sustainable development. By connecting North Avenue to San Jose del Monte, MRT-7 addresses critical transport challenges, enhances commuter convenience, and stimulates regional economic growth. Its state-of-the-art trains, advanced control systems, and thoughtfully designed stations reflect a commitment to safety, comfort, and efficiency. As construction progresses and the line moves toward operational launch, MRT-7 promises to redefine commuting in Metro Manila and Bulacan, providing a model for future heavy metro rail projects across the Philippines. This project stands as a testament to the power of modern infrastructure in shaping cities, improving lives, and fostering sustainable, connected urban communities.